everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to fix the frustrating issue of not being able to go live on Instagram. Whether you are a content creator, influencer, or just looking to share a moment live, I've got you covered. Alright, so let's jump into the steps. The first one is to go to the App Store or Google Play Store and search for Instagram. If there is an update available, make sure to download and install it. Once it's updated, go back and try going live again. If the issue is resolved, great. If not, don't worry, we have more solutions. The next step is to check your internet connection. A weak internet connection can prevent you from going live. Make sure you have a strong Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Then try toggling between Wi-Fi and cellular data to see if that fixes it. Once you've ensured a stable connection, give it another try. The third step is to restart your phone. Sometimes all your device needs is a quick restart to refresh everything. Power off your phone and wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. After restarting, open the Instagram app and check if you can go live now. Next, if you are using an Android device, clearing your Instagram cache might help. Go to Settings, Apps, Instagram, Storage, and then tap Clear Cache. Clearing the cache helps remove any temporary files that might be causing the issue. For iPhone users, unfortunately, there isn't a direct option to clear the cache, but deleting and reinstalling the app usually does the trick. And finally, if none of these steps work, you might need to contact Instagram for further assistance. Go to Settings, Help, Report, report a problem, and explain the issue. Instagram support can guide you through any further steps to resolve your issue. And there you have it. These steps should help you fix the issue of not being able to go live on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.